Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Home. I'm Alice.
And I'm John. Hey, friends, we're thrilled you're tuning in today.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner faces: staying motivated while learning English.
Yes, sometimes it feels hard to keep practicing, right? You might start with energy, but after a few days or weeks, it feels meh.
Exactly. That's why we'll share practical tips, fun strategies, and real examples to keep your motivation high even on tough days.
Right, Alice. For example, small goals, celebrating tiny wins, and mixing fun activities into your learning routine can make a huge difference.
And we'll also discuss mindset, how to see mistakes as part of the process, and why comparing yourself to others can actually hurt your progress.
Plus, real life examples from us so you can relate. Even days when we felt lazy, we found ways to stay on track.
By the end of this episode, you'll have a toolkit of strategies to stay motivated and enjoy learning English every day.
And we'd love to hear from you. What keeps you motivated to learn English? Comment below and inspire our community.
All right, John, let's dive in and show our listeners how to keep their English learning energy high every day.
Yes, let's make motivation fun, practical, and something you can actually use.
John, let's start with small goals. How do they help learners stay motivated?
Well, Alice, setting small, achievable goals gives you a sense of progress. For example, today I'll learn 5 new words, or I'll watch a short English video.
Yes, each small win boosts confidence and makes learning less overwhelming. And celebrating even tiny achievements like remembering a word keeps your energy high.
Mixing fun activities into learning works too. Listen to English songs, watch shows, or play language games. You're learning and having fun at the same time.
And don't forget tracking progress. Seeing improvement, even little by little, reminds you that your hard work is paying off.
Absolutely. And breaking tasks into small chunks prevents burnout. 10 minutes of focus practice is better than 1 hour feeling frustrated.
Even short daily routines, like repeating phrases in the shower or narrating your actions, can maintain momentum.
Exactly. Consistency beats intensity when it comes to motivation. Alice, mindset is also key. Many learners feel demotivated when they make mistakes. How can we shift that mindset?
Mistakes are proof you're learning. Instead of being frustrated, say, "Great, I know what to improve next time." Each mistake is a step forward.
And avoid comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different pace. Focus on your journey, not someone else's progress.
Also, connecting English learning to your passions helps. Love cooking? Watch recipes in English. Love sports? Follow English commentary. Fun topics keep motivation high.
Right, and sometimes a little reward helps. Finish a challenging exercise, treat yourself to a snack or break. Motivation thrives on positive reinforcement.
Another trick is variety. Switch between reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Doing the same thing every day can be boring.
Exactly. Even short conversations with friends or language partners keep the process lively and interactive.
John, how can learners stay motivated using social connections?
Start with friends or classmates. Share what you learned, ask each other questions, or practice together. Social learning boosts accountability.
Yes, online communities, language exchange apps, or comment sections are also great. Seeing others practice motivates you too.
And teachers or mentors can help set realistic goals and cheer on your progress. Positive support keeps motivation alive.
Even casual chats count. Asking questions, telling short stories, or describing your day in English daily reinforces learning and keeps it fun.
Remember, motivation fluctuates. Some days will feel slow, and that's okay. Consistency, variety, and social interaction keep you moving forward.
All right, friends. Alice here. Staying motivated in English is about small goals, fun activities, and connecting with your passions.
John here. Mindset matters too. Celebrate mistakes, avoid comparisons, and track your progress.
Daily practice, variety, and social support make English learning enjoyable and consistent. Even short, simple routines build strong momentum.
Vocabulary time. Quick words from today. Motivation, the drive to keep going. Example, listening to songs in English keeps my motivation high.
Consistency, doing something regularly. Example, consistency helps me improve every day.
Mindset, the way you think about learning. Example, a positive mindset keeps me motivated.
Achievement, completing a goal or task. Example, learning 5 words today felt like a small achievement.
Now, we want to hear from you. What keeps you motivated to learn English? Comment below and share your strategies with our community.
Thanks for joining us on English Home. Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy your English journey.
Bye for now.
See you next time. Laugh softly.